Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you some powerful file searching methods in Windows 11 using File Explorer. These tricks help you find files faster, even if you don't remember the file name. First, open File Explorer and click on the search box at the top right. To find JPEG files, type star.jpg. To search for MP4 videos, type star.mp4. You can also search other file types like star.pdf, star.docx, or star.xlsx. This method finds all files with that extension in the selected folder or drive. Next, we use the kind filter. In the search box, type kind:image to find all image files. To search documents, type kind:document. This is useful when files have different names but belong to the same category. Now let's search files by size. Type size: greater than 50 MB to find files larger than 50 megabytes. If you want smaller files, type size: less than 30 MB. You can also use size: large to find large files. This is very helpful when cleaning storage or finding heavy files. To find recently changed files, use date filters. Type date modified: this week to see files edited this week. Type date modified: today to show files modified today only. This saves time when working on recent files. You can also combine filters. For example, type star.jpg date modified: this month. This will show only JPG images that were modified during this month. Now let's use an advanced search. Type kind:video size: greater than 200 MB date modified: this month. This finds video files larger than 200 megabytes, modified this month. This is very powerful for finding specific large media files. These File Explorer search filters make Windows 11 file searching faster and smarter. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.